Introducing the 2027 Pandem Toyota FT-1 Darth Vader Edition, a dark force on wheels that instantly commands attention. From the front, its aggressive and futuristic stance is undeniable. The sleek, low-slung hood tapers into sharp LED headlamps that resemble the eyes of a warrior in battle. The wide front bumper features enormous air intakes, sculpted to not only cool the beast within but to slice through the wind with precision. The gloss black carbon fiber splitter gives it a track-ready posture, and the matte black finish across the entire body adds to its Darth Vader nickname. Moving to the back, the Pandem kit truly flexes its muscles. The massive rear diffuser, flanked by dual titanium exhaust tips, screams performance. The taillights are razor-thin and blood red, stretching across the rear like a laser blade. The enormous rear wing, constructed entirely from carbon fiber, completes the menacing rear profile, improving downforce while giving the car an unmistakable silhouette under night lights. On the right side, wide fenders pop out boldly, hugging the custom deep dish wheels wrapped in low-profile tires. The side skirts are lowered with precision, and every curve has been designed for both form and function. A small Pandem emblem sits just behind the front wheels, reminding you this isn't your average FT-1. Step inside, and the dashboard greets you with a fighter jet-inspired layout. The digital instrument cluster glows in red hues, mirroring the Sith vibe. A minimalist central console with haptic touch controls and carbon fiber inserts makes the cockpit feel like a command center. The front bucket seats, covered in Alcantara and red-stitched leather, hug the driver tightly, perfect for track runs or intergalactic cruises. The back seats are replaced with a carbon fiber brace and storage space, reducing weight and adding structural rigidity. And under the hood, the engine room houses a tuned inline-six twin-turbo, pushing out over 600 horsepower, ready to roar like a star destroyer. The 2027 Pandem Toyota FT-1 Darth Vader isn't just a car, it's a rebellion in motion.